Hello, my name is Daniel and today you're joining me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. This transporter comes in a 2-litre TDI engine pushing out 150 PS. This transporter comes in a Indium Grey paint with a beautiful metallic finish. Starting off with the front exterior features of this transporter, it comes with electric heated power folding steering mirrors, perfect for any weather, as well as front parking sensors for that extra bit of safety. This transporter comes with 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, as well as a steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving around back for the rear exterior features, you have rear parking sensors as well as a rear view camera system. This just adds that extra bit of safety when you are parking. Opening the rear door of the vehicle, you are greeted with a very spacious loading area. This loading area is fully ply lined and comes with lashing rings for a load restraint system. On the passenger side of the vehicle, you have a single sliding door. This allows you to have extra access to the loading area of the vehicle and also allows you to bring objects in easily. At the front, you are greeted with 3 passenger seats covered in bricks woven fabric upholstery in titanium black. All 3 seats are heated. You also are greeted with a 6.5-inch infotainment system which allows you to connect through with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as listen to your favorite radio stations and connect via USB and Bluetooth. The driver is met with a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip through their favorite music and also answer calls and use cruise control. That is it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. Thank you for watching and goodbye.